Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a look at my self-care journal. I created this because I wanted to have a central location for all things positive, all things keeping my head on straight, and I also wanted to have a place to keep the positive affirmations that I write down, that Pasha on Instagram shares. I wanted to have a spot for that. So here it is. Now for 2020, this is going to be used along with the Joy Paper Designs My Journey Planner. If you guys would like more information on this, I'll have an entire video linked below for you to check out where I flip through this, but this is a mental health based planner and it is absolutely amazing. So I'll have the information on that, like I said, linked below. But getting into this planner, it is a mini happy planner. In my how many planners do I use video, I talked about how I have different notebooks created from discs that I'm able to take the pages and put them into my classic happy planner, which is a Franken planner system. And this is one of those. So the cover is Happy Planner. Is actually one of the ones that you can get in that pack that they have. I'll link it below if I can find it. These are mini discs. I decided to do black and rose gold. One of them is broken, but when I turn it a certain way, it all works fine. So not really too worried about that. Then when you open to the first page, it is this self-care reminder. And these are all from the Happy Planner Wellness sticker book. I love it. It's one of my faves, and I also have this in a micro version. I'll link that for you to check out as well. Then from this list here, I went a little more into detail on what I wanted to unplug from, basically screen time, and then also on the back talking about social media. Then I kind of made some dividers inside of here. So this is just a piece of vellum. It's actually my favorite vellum from Hobby Lobby. And then this is where I have all of those affirmations. So this goes all the way back to September. And these stickers are a mix of Happy Planner, the wellness sticker book I just showed, as well as this Maggie Home sticker book. And I have some Heidi Swap stickers as well. So just to flip through that, and I'll share with you guys at the end of the video how I set up a page. Then here we have another little divider, which I just have some daily gratitude, and then some of the affirmations I want to write more on. So I just put them on a page, separated with washi tape, and I can put whatever I want. And if I continue to the other side, great. If I don't, I can put another affirmation here. So this one is, I will appreciate and honor each season of my life. I will follow things connected to my purpose. I will refocus myself. Then I have this Songs That Motivate Me playlist, and I plan on adding to this. I have playlists everywhere, but I do plan on adding to this. And it's Carrie Underwood and Ludacris the Champion, Lauren Daigle You Say, Rachel Platten Fight Song, Andrew Day Rise Up, Sarah Bareilles Brave, Tiny Tempa, Eric Turner Written in the Stars, All American Rejects Move Along, Katy Perry Rise, and Firework and Fifth Harmony That's My Girl. And then I just have some more of this mini dot grid paper. Another little divider here. This is Heidi Swap paper, and the other paper that I showed here is one of the 12 by 12 sheets from Joann's. Then I just have this blackout paper. I actually cut it down from a notebook I had, and I just have quotes related to the book that I'm writing. And then I have this books I want to read list, and this is ripped at the bottom. This is actually a half sheet page that I put into here, and whatever I want to jot down here I can, but that's how I made the most out of that. and then just a whole bunch of that paper. So if I don't want to necessarily use the dot grid for my positive affirmations, I have this I can play around with as well. But for now, it's just in the back of this notebook. But now I'm going to share with you guys how I set up a week, the week on a page for my positive affirmation. So this is really simple. I'm going to use the Maggie Holmes sticker book. And I just pulled that out. Week of 10/14, which is my birthday week. And I'm just gonna pop this here. Well, I'll save this. I do want to use it this week though. So I'm actually going to use hearts. I've used hearts before. So I literally just write. Sometimes I write out the whole day. Sometimes I don't. So that's that. I'm just going to space them out. And I usually just put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the front, and then Thursday and Friday on the back. And Tuesday is my birthday, so I'm going to pop a best ever here. I'm going to take this. And then that. And then for Thursday and Friday, some weeks have more deco than others, but also I add deco later on. And then Friday. Oh, I'm so messed that up. That's okay. That's what stickers are for. I'm going to pull from the Wellness sticker book. And to kind of balance it out, I'm going to do it like this. So I'm going to lift this, put this down because I'm not about to write the whole page over. I won't lie, generally I would, but for this one I'm not. And then Friday, 10/18, and then over here on Tuesday, my birthday, just to kind of balance out the design, the little mess up I had. There we have it. So just gonna write in Tuesday again, and voila, that is it. And let me see if there's any other stickers that I want to add. There's actually a big one that I do. It's this one, the happiness. I'm just gonna put this at the bottom of the page. Alright, so that is it. Only thing with using alpha stickers is that they can be kind of time consuming to put them on. But then I just take this and I put it into my Franken planner, and then when I'm done, I put it back into my self-care journal. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all of the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, including my Self-Care Saturday series, and the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic family, I'd love for you to join, so click that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!